Greetings. Welcome to video lecture on drift and diffusion currents in semiconductors. Outcome: after completion of the lecture, you will be able to explain drift and diffusion currents. Drift current: the steady flow of electrons in one direction caused by the applied electric field constitutes an electric current. This current is called as drift current in semiconductors. Drifting of electrons due to applied electric field is shown in figure. The drift current density due to free electrons is given by Jn is equal to Nq mu n E. Equation 1. The drift current density due to holes is given by P Q mu P E, given by equation 2, where Jn drift current density due to electrons, Jp drift current density due to holes, Q charge of electron, N number of electrons, P number of holes, mu n electron mobility, mu p hole mobility, capital E applied electric field. The direction of conventional current is always opposite to the direction of drifting electrons. Diffusion current. Diffusion. It occurs in a semiconductor that is uniformly doped. The region in which more number of electrons present is called higher concentration region, and the region in which less number of electrons present is called lower concentration region. Diffusion. It is a migration of charge carriers from the higher concentration region to lower concentration region due to concentration gradient. Diffusion current. The current produced due to migration of charge carriers from a higher concentration to a region of lower concentration is called diffusion current in semiconductors. Diffusion of electrons due to concentration gradient is shown in figure. The diffusion current density due to electrons is given by Jn is equal to plus Q dn dou n by dou x. Equation 3. The diffusion current density due to holes is given by Jp is equal to minus Q dp dou p by dou x. Equation 4, where dn diffusion coefficient of electrons, dp diffusion coefficient of holes. The total current density due to electrons is the sum of drift and diffusion currents, that is sum of equations 1 and 3. Jn is equal to drift current plus diffusion current due to electrons. Jn is equal to Nq mu n E plus Q dn dou n by dou x. It is the drift current and it is the diffusion current due to electrons. The total current density due to holes is the sum of drift and diffusion currents due to holes. That is sum of equations 2 and 4. Jp is equal to drift current plus diffusion current due to holes. Jp is equal to pq mu pe minus qdp dou p by dou x. Here this term is drift current and this term is diffusion current due to holes. The total current density due to electrons and holes is given by J is equal to Jn plus Jp, equation 7. Equation 7 is sum of equations 5 and 6. Exercise 1, previous gate problem. Drift current in semiconductors depends on both the electric field and the carrier concentration. Exercise 2, previous gate problem. The diffusion current is proportional to concentration gradient of the charge carrier. Option B is the right answer. Exercise 3, previous gate problem. Here you are supposed to determine the current density in silicon. The total current density due to electrons is the sum of drift and diffusion currents given by this formula. By substituting in this equation, we get option D is the right answer. Thank you. We will meet with the next lecture.